Hey Facebook and YouTube, it's me, Crazy Honda Chris. And I've been getting a good common question lately from my YouTube videos. People have been asking me, hey, where's the spare tire at in the Honda Odyssey? So I'm going to show you where it's at. If you guys found this video helpful, you know the drill. Show your support by hitting the like and subscribe. And thank you very much for your support. Let's go show you. All right, so I already done a couple steps in advance already. I took out the carpet mat that's going to be right in here for you guys. The spare tire is going to be underneath. As you can see, there's a cutout, a compartment down under here. All right, so obviously remove the carpet mat. It gives you access to the door. You get this nice foam insulation. Lift that right up. Then you have the lid. As you pull that back towards you, and to slide forward and up, and then there's your spare tire. All right, then you get your additional tools and everything you may need down below. And once you're done, it slides right back in, fastens right down. A little challenging to do one-handed, but that's where it's at, all right? If you guys have any other questions, feel free to drop a comment down below or contact me, Crazy Honda Chris, here at Randy Kuehl Honda. My number is 319-540-7307. And remember, Crazy Honda Chris is your friend in the car business. Talk to you guys later.